How to use parental controls on Peacock TV. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, you can navigate to your web browser and launch a Peacock website or just tap open your Peacock application. Head over and go to your account settings. Or if your account or the profile is already Kids 1, it will be labeled as Kids. You can tap on it. Browse through your account setting and in here navigate to Parental Control. Make sure that the Parental Control option is toggled on. In here on the settings, you will find some of the options such as age restriction. So what you can do is, you can select the content accordingly depending upon the age. Now in here, as you can see, the option may vary according to your country or region. After you select any of the maturity rating, don't forget to tap on the Save Rating option. Then the profile will be completely content protected. If you want, you can also add a profile pin. And that is how you use a parental control on Peacock TV. And that is a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.